Let's see what we're having. You're having an influencer.
If you've been watching AI content lately, you've probably seen super realistic influencers and wondered, is that even real? Well, most of the influencer videos you're seeing right now are actually created using Higgsfield AI. And if you don't know about Higgsfield yet, let me quickly explain. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing and best Gen AI platforms right now. It lets you create realistic AI images, videos, voiceovers, and much more, all in one place. Recently, Higgsfield launched two major products specially made for creators. The first one is AI Influencer Studio, where you can build, customize, and animate your own digital influencer. And the second one is Higgsfield Earn, where you can monetize those AI influencer videos by simply uploading them to social media. So in this video, I'll walk you through the complete workflow. How to create an AI influencer using Higgsfield, how to turn it into a video, and finally how to monetize it using Higgsfield Earn. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, so a big thanks to the Higgsfield team for supporting the channel. Now, let's get started. First, just open Higgsfield. On the Explore page, you'll see Higgsfield Earn and AI Influencer Studio. To create an influencer, we'll start with AI Influencer Studio, so let's click on that. Alright, this is the studio. To create your AI influencer, you can either write a detailed prompt here or build your character using these presets. You can choose character type, gender, ethnicity, skin color, eye color, and many more things. On this side, you can either click on Create New or select any of these pre-built models to customize. There are literally so many models available in every style. For creating my AI influencer, I've selected this one named Skylar. These are her specifications. To customize her, let's try removing her skin condition and hit Edit. Okay, within seconds, the result is ready with a new image without any skin condition. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. One simple change completely changed the model. But let's leave this for now and go back to our main model. Now, to make further changes, just go to the builder. Let's select human to octopus. Change gender from female to male. Select ethnicity as Indian. Select eye color as blue. Select skin color as pigmentation. You can also select age from here. For now, I'm keeping it adult. If you want to make more changes, just go to advanced settings, where you can customize things even further. I'm just adding small horns to the influencer. Alright, now let's click on generate influencer. In a couple of minutes, your result will be ready. So this is the result of all that customization. And yeah, it looks good. Now let's go back to our selected influencer and download it first. Okay, now we're going to make edits to this one. For that, just type here something like remove her bag and hit edit. If you're trying this for the first time, you'll get 15 free edits. And yeah, the bag is removed. Now let's type make her hands straight down and hit edit. And yeah, it's done. For further customization, I'm typing remove her skin condition and make it normal and hit edit. Now she looks like a beautiful Asian girl. Now let's change her ethnicity to European and hit generate. And now she looks European. As you can see, we changed her from this to this. Alright, now it's time to turn her into a video. For that, you just have to click here on the video icon. And yes, it's free to try. After clicking, it takes you to this page where you can select motion from the motion library and recreate that motion using your image. There are multiple motions you can try. For now, I'm selecting this one. You can also choose Scene Control Mode to decide where the background comes from. I'm keeping it set to image. Now let's hit Generate. If you're new, you'll get 10 free video generations. Alright, so the video is ready. Let's watch it. Isn't it amazing? So yeah, this is how you create an AI influencer in just a few steps using Higgsfield. It's honestly super easy. Now let's talk about Higgsfield Earn, which is how you actually monetize your AI influencer. You simply create content on social media and Higgsfield pays you for that. Sounds interesting, right? Let me show you how it works. On the Higgsfield Explore page, just click on Higgsfield Earn. The number you're seeing here is the real-time amount Higgsfield has paid to creators just for creating content. Now click on Start Earning. Here you'll see the active campaigns. Since I'm a YouTube creator, I previously selected YouTube, which is why these campaigns are showing up. And the first campaign you see here is actually for the video you're watching right now. So yeah, this is a sponsored video, thanks again to Higgsfield. Now let me show you how monetization works on Instagram. For that, I've opened another account that I created just for demonstration. Let's open a new Chrome profile, go to Higgsfield and click on Higgsfield Earn. Scroll down and read how it works so you understand all the steps. Once done, click on Start Earning. Here, you choose between YouTube and Instagram. Select whichever platform you create content on. For this example, I'm choosing Instagram and clicking Continue. Now you enter your Instagram username. I'll copy it from Instagram. But first, let's post the real video we created earlier. I select the video, choose the correct ratio, and write a simple caption. Everything looks good, so I click Share, and it's posted successfully. Now let's go back to Higgsfield and paste the username. After that, enter your email address and verify it with an OTP. Once done, you'll see this message saying you've been selected. Here, you'll see active Instagram campaigns. You can earn $30 instantly just by writing "Powered by Higgsfield AI" in your bio. I'm not eligible yet because for that you need at least 3 posts and 1,000 followers. But that's very achievable if you stay consistent. So yeah, that's how Higgsfield Earn works. Now very quickly, let's talk about pricing and why this is worth it. Right now, Higgsfield is offering a limited 85% discount on their 2-year creator plan. With this offer, you get unlimited Nano Banana Pro, unlimited Kling models, way more credits per month, and access to all image and video models. If you compare this to hiring real models, shooting videos, renting studios, or doing reshoots, Higgsfield is way cheaper and much more scalable. You're basically creating reusable digital influencers that can generate content 24/7. For creators, this is one of the most cost-effective AI deals available right now. So to wrap things up, if you want to create your own AI influencer, check out Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. And if you want to start monetizing your content, join Higgsfield Earn. Both links are in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you want deeper tutorials or my exact presets. I'm Techie Sapien, and I'll see you in the next one.